Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily turn off email notifications from the Twitter application permanently. So in order to begin, I'll open the Twitter application. Once the Twitter application is loaded, what you can do is click on your profile icon at the top left corner. In here, you can choose settings and support, and now click on settings and privacy. Now you have this option called notifications. You have to click on it. And here you have two options. You have to click on preferences. Then we can see the option email notifications. Now you can click on it. Now you have a slider at the top right corner. As you can see, you can easily turn that off, and now you won't be getting any email notifications from Twitter again. And if you want to get only direct messages and not tweets email to you or anything like that, you can also customize the notifications as per your needs. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.